Hey, Dr. Chris here, the Neurological Institute. Right now, you're looking at our treatment section, and so I just want to make sure you understand we've been at this now for 27 years, helping thousands of patients from everywhere with all different types of conditions. And our sole mission is to try to help you without drugs, injections, and surgery. So you'll see these treatments are truly some of the most amazing treatments that I know of that I've come across in the entire world. And we're very, very innovative here. We're always searching for more and more and better services. So, but all of our services center on oxygen, water, and light. And this is an OWL method that I've developed and been working on for years, but it centers on cells. So, it's so simple in your body. You have 30 trillion cells, and nobody is born with a perfect set because we all have genetic defects. And then you have all these stresses that affect you in life, and they cause all these problems to these cells. So you have to know what to do. So the basic number one ingredient in a cell, 65% of this normal cell should be oxygen gas. So a lot of our therapies are centered on just trying to get oxygen back to cells because we know they're low, and that makes them get healthy. And then another important ingredient would be water. And so many times we're just not drinking the right type of water, not drinking enough water. So we have all different routes of helping in our clinic with that. And then as well as we have light devices and methods. And so one of the methods we use here is we just literally it's just connecting your brain. So we have all these different methods that are focused on keeping your brain, your power company, connected to the groups of cells in your body that are 30 trillion cells. And you can imagine that's a complicated task, but it's really fun. We have treatments here in the clinic, but we also have services for home. You'll see an at-home tab in this thing where you'll see home care, and we have routes of helping you do it yourself at home. But we also have routes where you can get one of our body charger certified coaches to be able to help you at home. So remember, Neurofilth Institute services are here in our clinic, and body charger services are at home. And then we also at the Neurofilth Institute have another service that's coming we're really excited about. And I've never done this before. We've never had an invasive type of procedure here, but we have this service called EBoo. And EBoo is a service that literally takes your blood out of one arm, and it takes all the garbage in the blood that we all have, and it filters all that garbage out of your blood. And then it actually oxygenates and ozonates the blood, and it puts the clean, beautiful blood back into your other arm. So you basically, it's this blood oil change. That's the easiest way I can describe it. And it gets your chemistry much better immediately. And so we're happy to offer this service. It will be in August of 2025. And so you'll see information about early registration for EBoo. If you want to reserve your spot for this, because limited time, we have limited spaces, just click that reserve your spot button, and it'll get you there. So I hope you enjoy looking at our services. We have so much to offer. There's videos showing you all everything, and it's very comprehensive, and it's always evolving.